Alright, y'all, I finally got me some watermelon. I've been craving watermelon. And tahini, I love tahini with watermelon the best versus like mango or whatever. And then I want to try it with lemon pepper. And I just saw somebody eat it with seasoning salt not too long ago. And I used to always say tahini tastes similar to seasoning salt to me. So I'm going to do the tahini first because it's my shit. It is sweet. It's so good, y'all. Okay, now I'm gonna. Ooh, that was a lot. I'm gonna try it with the lemon pepper seasoning. It's real seasoning, but it's good. Now I'm gonna do a little of the seasoning salt. Yeah, let's see. Oh yeah, that's really good. I still like the tahini the best. But that's good. Ain't nothing fucking with the tahini though. I know that much. That's mine.